What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. Man, y'all see the title. You know why I gotta do this. But before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. And send me a DM, send me a message, let me know you came from this video, and I'll follow you back. But enough about that, guys. Y'all see the title, you know the vibes. It's been a long-awaited thing. None other than Drizzy, aka Mr. Wheelchair Jimmy. Who would ever thought it? Global superstar #1. It is what it is. The man finally dropped his album, Certified Lover Boy. Now, the title alone might be a little sus. That's not for me to say. But with any great album release, we have hopefully great album merch. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, if you have not already seen, I have done a video on Drake's Air Force One collab that's allegedly coming out. Make sure you guys follow, make sure you guys subscribe and like. Check out that video. I'll put the link in the description. Enough about that though, guys, for real. I'm going to be diving into the Certified Lover Boy merch collab. I don't really know where to start, guys. Is it mid? You tell me. I don't know. This is a Nike collab with Drake, OVO, Certified Lover Boy, guys. It finally dropped today, September 3rd. Yeah, let's talk about it. So these pieces, there aren't many. I think in total there's like one hoodie, maybe 3 shirts, the pair of socks, the hat, and then that puffer jacket. Yeah, there's not a whole lot. I feel like a lot of people probably didn't even know, that this stuff dropped. Just because it kind of, I don't know, I feel like I haven't seen a lot of promotion. That's not to say I haven't seen people wearing it. As you guys can see, here's LeBron. He was wearing the gray hoodie. But yeah, I feel like there wasn't a lot of hype despite all of this stuff being sold out. But let's talk about it, guys. So my personal opinion, I don't think any of this stuff is anything special. I think the logo's dope for sure. The branding of it is pretty cool, I guess. It's kind of minimalist, but I don't know, like the black hoodie would be pretty hard. I do like the shirt we're on right now with the Cupid. I think that has potential as well. The retail is kind of steep on, I guess, the hoodie, but not even really, because most pieces kind of, you can expect to pay $200 for something from a Kanye Donda related drop, whereas the hoodie here is $75. So yeah, that actually changed my mind. Retail on most of these pieces is pretty cheap. The shirts are $35. The socks were $24. The hat, of course, $28. The hoodie, $75. I'm gonna go ahead and actually take a look at StockX right now, and not too bad, honestly. On the hoodie, you can get $300. That's actually crazy and not bad of a flip off of a $75 retail. So if you were to ask me, this stuff is only gonna go up. The more people see people wearing it. Personally, I haven't even heard the album yet. I'm relying on you guys to let me know what you guys think. Let me know what the bangers are. Anybody in real life that knows me can tell you I'm not the biggest Drake fan. I never have been. Not even on some like weirdo shit. I just don't like singy Drake, the R&B type shit. And I'm more of like interested in the rapping stuff. So if you guys hear some hard tracks, let me know in the comments what your favorite ones are. But yeah, some of these pieces look kind of like Tumblr-esque, like quote pieces. I'm going to go ahead and throw them at the end of this and we'll kind of talk about those. But yeah, guys, I want to know what you think. The reason why I say it's kind of mid is I feel like there's just not enough going on. Like Drake is such a global superstar, and I don't think he has like the marketing prowess or the marketability of someone like Travis Scott. I mean, that guy, collab with anything and everything and it'll resell. So the point I'm trying to make with this video is to ask you guys and to open the discussion. Do you think his merch has been pretty mid? Personally, I feel like he's missing out on a big bag. I don't think money really matters to him, but I think he's missing out on a pretty big bag by not dropping regular merch. Like, even if he does these dropship pre-order drops like Travis, where you don't see the pieces for 2 months, 3 months down the line, which I think is stupid, by the way. He could constantly be racking in way more money, and he just doesn't do it. I don't think he's historically done it. I can't even think of any crazy hype Drake piece collabs from the past. We all know he has his OVO collabs, the Jordan 4s. Most recently, he's got some stuff coming out. He most recently had that Nike Nocta collab, which, again, it's not that crazy in my opinion. The pieces are super bland, but I guess they aren't supposed to be anything crazy. But yeah, I don't know if his aesthetic is just like that or what. But I wanted to ask you guys. I just feel like for him being such a big superstar and number one, he could and he deserves better merch. So let me know what you guys think. Again, let me know what you guys think of the album. I haven't listened to it yet. Let me know if there's any bangers on there. Let me know if you were able to cop any pieces. It looks like it sold out pretty quickly. And if you weren't able to, if you plan on copping any for resale. Personally, I think it's only going to go up, like I said, as more people start wearing it and they regret missing out on it, especially if the album's good. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for sticking around for this long, and more heat on the way. Stay tuned soon. As always, stay safe, guys. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen, and peace.